Greetings and welcome back to my channel. A lot of 800 XLs don't have color on S-Video. So I was going through the threads and there's some long-winded stuff you can go through, but what I usually do is I just go through the motherboard and try to use my finger and try to find points till I get color. And as you can see, you can kind of get it. So long story short, you know, you just kind of fiddle with the motherboard until you see color and you go, okay, well, where the hell is it? You know it's there. How do you access it, right? So you start poking around. And just before I made this video, I was getting ready to do my spot, which is up here in the video section, and show you that one. But I found another one down here. And so you can see it's intermittent already because I've already kind of tricked it, I guess you might say. But there's right down here. It's going to give me permanent color. So let's turn it off, plug in Miss Pac-Man, and see what we get. I had another problem like this on a 600XL with a Jeff Popp mod, where I wasn't getting color on some of those. So I did the same trick on that. That's where I learned this from. Okay, there's Miss Pac-Man, no color, right? Well, it's kind of intermittent. Where was that spot? Crap, I lost it. Oh, it's right there. And should be it, yeah. Come on, give me a little more wire. This actually works better than the other one. There it is. And just like the mod that was on Atari Age, where you have to remove resistor 56 and all that, it removes composite. This keeps it intact. Or at least the other one did. I'll test this one. But there's color. And just like the other one, he'll have to turn up the saturation on the color. But there, that's just one little wire fix. Now I did think about putting a 1 ohm resistor in there. Maybe that would keep the color up a little bit more. But yeah, that works. Look there. I'll get it. You get the idea. Once it's soldered on there, it'll do good. So the first time I tried to do this video, one of the boards actually had S-Video hooked up to it already. So, excuse me, I have wire in my mouth. So that was not a good candidate. So let's see it on camera. The where I did it is, whoops, just fried the board. That does happen. Right here. If you can see it, it's these two guys right here. I just bridged those right on the, looks like the color pot, as a matter of fact. Right there. Hope you can see that. There's my wire. There you go. Yeah. It'll work better when I solder it, but it does work. Yeah. Sweet. Just a little tinkering around, man. Just start poking around on low voltage stuff. Get this cable out of my mouth. Anyway, there you go. Ingenuity at its best. Visit 8bitfix.com so your motherboard can be tweaked like this with Christmas tree wires. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you get yours fixed. You can use the S-Video cable from Corey at 8-Bit Classics. That's primarily the one I'm using with this. It does composite out and S-Video, just not both at once. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.